guys, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Learn French with Queen. This is the first time you're tuning in, you're welcome. So this is a platform where we learn French, and our learning encompasses the reading, speaking and the writing skills. So if this is what you're looking for, you're on the right spot. So today we'll be looking at an amazing topic which says an expression for satisfaction. This is what we do daily. We do eat, obviously. There's no day you will not eat because our body definitely needs food to keep going. Just in case you are with somebody and you just want to express your satisfaction, there are situations which can demand you to refuse an offer to take in something. That is if you are satisfied. So you can make do of some of this expression that we are going to treat today to tell the person that you are satisfied. Or somebody offered you something and you feel, oh, you can't take more. You are at your peak. So these are some of the expressions you can make to tell the person, I'm okay. Thank you so much. So let's learn some of these expressions. So these are some of the expressions we can make do to just say, I am satisfied, I'm okay. So we can say, j'ai bien bouffé, which simply means I ate to my satisfaction. So if you are somewhere and someone offers you something and you are okay, you can just say, j'ai bien bouffé. Simple. You can say, je suis rassasié. Je suis rassasié, I'm satisfied. Like, I'm fed already, I'm to the peak, do you understand? So you can just say, j'ai trop mangé. If you're actually expressing your satisfaction to somebody, like, oh, you know, some people do eat to the extent that their tummy comes out this way, and they'll be telling their friends or their loved one, j'ai trop mangé. Wow, mon ventre, j'ai trop mangé. So you can tell the person, j'ai trop mangé, if you've eaten so much. They say that, in fact, your tummy is coming out. Okay, so we can have, j'ai mangé à ma faim. J'ai mangé à ma faim. You can make do of this expression as well, just to tell the person, I've eaten to my satisfaction. It can't longer go. It can't pass through. It's at the peak. So these are possible expressions you can make do of to just express your satisfaction when you are okay. You've taken something and you know that you can't take extra. Obviously, you can't take more, because if you take more, that means you definitely want to cause something else for yourself. So these are expressions you can make do of. So let me meet with you at the comment section to know if you have some other expressions you do use to express your satisfaction. I'll be glad to hear from you at the comment section. And if you have anything you want to ask us regarding expression for satisfaction, do let me know at the comment section. So do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to share to loved ones who love this content, and do subscribe. See you till the next time. Bye bye.